Hi everybody, I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas. The next few videos are going to be a little series called Perfumes that I got for Christmas. We're going to be starting with one that I actually bought myself for Christmas. So this is Bubble Yum from Aroma Concepts. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is the box. Great packaging, very eye-catching. Okay. Cute bottle. There we go, that's the bottle. Now this is Aroma Concepts. They sell a lot of other perfumes like Paris Corner, etc., but this is their own fragrance. Okay, this is a unisex fragrance. The top notes are pear, marshmallow, sugar, ylang ylang, and strawberry. Middle notes are bubblegum, jelly bean, and caramel. And the base notes are musk, amber, and fruity notes. Let's check out the juice. Oh, I like that. I like that atomizer. That's a good burst. Strawberry flavoured bubblegum. That is already changing. God, that is so fruity. That is, I just feel like I've been punched in the face by a bowl of fruit. The pear just all of a sudden became very prominent. It's fresh, very fresh. Oh, it's fresh, fruity, juicy, very sweet. It's a beautiful fruity gourmand. I'm still very much in the top notes at the moment. Try and get it to dry down a little bit. It's just so juicy. I cannot get over how juicy this is. It's a fresh, fruity summer fragrance. That's an incredible scent. That is beautiful. Absolutely fantastic offering there from Aroma Concepts. It is available now. I will link them below. Go and get yours. I will see you on the next one.